Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in Smiljan, Croatia. This region was then part of the Austrian Empire. His father was an Orthodox priest. His mother was known for her intelligence. Tesla was fascinated by science from a young age. He showed an early aptitude for mathematics and mechanics. Tesla's education began in his hometown. He later attended the Higher Real Gymnasium in Karlovac. There, his interest in physics and electricity intensified. He was particularly intrigued by demonstrations of electricity. These experiences sparked a desire to understand this mysterious force. He excelled in his studies, often completing years' worth of coursework in months. After graduating from the gymnasium, Tesla enrolled at the Austrian Polytechnic in Graz, Austria. He studied electrical engineering. He immersed himself in his studies, astonishing professors with his understanding of complex concepts. He was a dedicated student. However, financial difficulties forced him to leave the university before graduating. Despite this setback, Tesla continued to learn independently. Driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge, Tesla moved to Prague. There, he worked for a telephone company while attending lectures at the university. He delved deeper into the world of electrical engineering. All the while, he nurtured his dream of creating inventions that would benefit humanity. This period of self-education laid the foundation for his future breakthroughs. In 1884, at the age of 28, Tesla decided to move to the United States. He believed America offered the greatest opportunities for inventors. He arrived in New York City with little money and a mind brimming with ideas. He carried with him a letter of recommendation from Charles Batchelor, a former employer. This letter was addressed to Thomas Edison, a prominent inventor and businessman. Impressed by Tesla's credentials, Edison hired him as an engineer at his Edison Machine Works. Tesla's brilliance quickly became apparent. He excelled at solving complex engineering problems. He worked tirelessly, often putting in long hours to improve existing designs. His dedication and ingenuity earned him Edison's respect, but their relationship soon soured. The heart of their conflict lay in their differing views on electricity. Edison championed direct current, or DC, for power distribution. Tesla believed alternating current, or AC, was far superior. AC offered greater efficiency and could travel much longer distances. Their disagreements escalated into a bitter rivalry known as the War of Currents. Convinced of AC's superiority, Tesla left Edison's company in 1886. He faced an uphill battle. Many investors remained skeptical of AC technology. Undeterred, Tesla continued to refine his ideas and seek support for his inventions. In 1887, Tesla's fortunes changed dramatically when he met George Westinghouse, an entrepreneur who recognized the potential of AC. Westinghouse purchased the rights to Tesla's AC patents. The partnership marked a turning point in electricity. Tesla built the first successful AC power system. It included generators, transformers, and motors. In 1893, Tesla's AC system illuminated the Chicago World's Fair. Tesla and Westinghouse built the first hydroelectric power plant at Niagara Falls. This revolutionized electricity generation and transmission. The success of AC brought Tesla fame and fortune. Tesla envisioned wireless communication and free energy for all. He pursued groundbreaking research, pushing the boundaries of science. Section 4. Beyond electricity, Tesla's visionary concepts. While Tesla is best known for his contributions to AC electricity, his scientific explorations extended into many other fields. He conducted pioneering work in radio transmission, X-rays, remote control, and wireless energy transfer. His laboratory in Colorado Springs, Colorado, became a hub for experimentation with high-voltage, high-frequency electricity. In 1898, Tesla demonstrated a remote-controlled boat at Madison Square Garden. This feat amazed onlookers and hinted at the future of robotics and wireless communication. His work with X-rays, though not fully understood at the time, laid the groundwork for medical imaging technologies that would revolutionize healthcare. Driven by his vision of a world powered by wireless energy, Tesla developed the Tesla coil. This resonant transformer circuit produced high-voltage, high-frequency alternating current electricity. He believed this technology could one day transmit power wirelessly over long distances. Section 5. The Forgotten Genius, Tesla's Later Years and Legacy. Despite his many contributions to science and technology, Tesla's later years were marked by financial struggles and waning recognition. His ambitious projects, such as the Wardenclyffe Tower, designed for transatlantic wireless communication and power transmission, faced numerous setbacks and ultimately remained unfinished. Tesla's eccentricities and unconventional ideas sometimes drew skepticism from the scientific community. His claims of developing death rays and communicating with extraterrestrials further alienated him from mainstream science. As a result, many of his visionary concepts were dismissed or forgotten during his lifetime. Despite the challenges he faced, Tesla never wavered in his belief in the power of science and innovation to improve humanity. He continued to work tirelessly until his death in 1943 at the age of 86. Though largely forgotten in the years following his death, Tesla's legacy experienced a resurgence in the late 20th and early 21st centuries. Section 6. Tesla's enduring impact, shaping the modern world. Today, Nikola Tesla is recognized as one of the most brilliant and innovative minds in history. His work laid the foundation for many of the technologies we rely on today. AC electricity, which he championed, remains the global standard for power distribution. His research in radio transmission paved the way for wireless communication, radar, and other technologies that shape our modern world. Tesla's contributions extend beyond specific inventions. His relentless pursuit of knowledge, his unwavering belief in the power of innovation, and his vision of a better future continue to inspire generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. His name has become synonymous with innovation, ingenuity, and the spirit of scientific exploration. From electric cars bearing his name to the burgeoning field of wireless power transfer, Tesla's legacy continues to influence technological advancements. His remarkable life and extraordinary achievements serve as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the transformative potential of scientific discovery.